Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin with tonight's news report right now. Man arrested in connection with killing of mother on boat off New England coast. Nathan Carmen also accused of killing grandfather. A man arrested in connection with the death of his mother killed her as part of a scheme to obtain money and property from his slain grandfather's estate, investigators said in a news conference on Tuesday. Nathan Carmen, 28, of Vernon, Vermont, was arrested Tuesday on an 8-count indictment that charges him with killing his mother, Linda Carmen, while on a fishing trip with her off the coast of Rhode Island in 2016. Nathan Carmen was found in a life raft 8 days into the trip and picked up by a crew of a passing freighter. His mother was never found and was presumed dead. Investigators said the unsealed indictment also alleges that Nathan Carmen shot and killed his grandfather, John Chikalos, 87, in Chikalos's home in Windsor, Connecticut, in 2013. Chikalos also owned a home in Chesterfield, New Hampshire. Investigators said that both killings were part of a scheme to obtain money and property from Chikalos's estate and related family trusts. Nathan Carmen is charged with murder on the high seas and multiple counts of fraud, U.S. Department of Justice officials said. He is scheduled to be arraigned on Wednesday, tomorrow. In a separate case, Nathan Carmen was sued in probate court by relatives who live in New Hampshire to prevent him from receiving any inheritance from his grandfather. The case was dismissed in May of 2019 when a judge ruled that Chikalos was not a permanent New Hampshire resident. In November of 2019, a federal judge ruled in a separate case that Nathan Carmen was not entitled to an $85,000 insurance claim for the loss of the boat used during the aforementioned ocean fishing trip with his mother in 2016. The judge found that Carmen made improper repairs to the boat before it sank. And that did it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for tuning in and watching this evening news report. Have a great evening. Good night and goodbye.